As we commemorate Democracy Day, we join millions of Nigerians at home and abroad in celebrating this significant milestone in the history of our great nation. Today marks another important chapter in our democratic journey, a testament to our collective resilience, enduring hope, and unwavering commitment to a future built on progress, unity, and shared prosperity. As a proudly Nigerian corporate organization, deeply rooted in the nation's growth and development, we have witnessed both the challenges and triumphs that have shaped our country's remarkable story. Through every season, we have remained steadfast in our commitment to creating value, empowering communities, and contributing meaningfully to Nigeria's socioeconomic advancement through our integrated ecosystem spanning real estate, technology, and media. This Democracy Day celebration serves as a powerful reminder of our collective responsibility to build a stronger, more prosperous, and inclusive nation for present and future generations. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the leaders and institutions entrusted with the responsibility of safeguarding our democracy and steering the nation towards sustainable development. Their dedication to the principles of democratic governance, accountability, and national development inspires confidence and optimism for the future. As a notable private sector player and an integral part of Nigeria's corporate landscape, Ruston Group remains committed to supporting initiatives that drive economic growth, innovation, job creation, and national transformation. Today, as we reflect on Nigeria's rich heritage, cultural diversity, and indomitable spirit, we celebrate the strength, resilience, and ingenuity of our people. As we continue this democratic journey, let us remain united in purpose, embracing inclusivity, mutual respect, and a shared vision of a greater Nigeria. To our esteemed clients, partners, stakeholders, and dedicated team members, we thank you for your continued trust, support, and belief in Nigeria's immense potential. Your passion and commitment inspire our efforts and strengthen our resolve to create lasting impact across the ecosystem we serve. Together, we can drive meaningful change, foster sustainable development, and contribute to the realization of Nigeria's aspirations as a thriving and globally respected nation. At the Ruston Group, we extend our warmest wishes to the government and people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. May we continue to move forward together with courage, resilience, and hope, building a nation that future generations will be proud to inherit. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Happy Democracy Day.